Oh, hey, my second man. Welcome to my second hearing now. And with me, my wonderful boyfriend, husband, I don't know who he is anymore. Ex. We were never married. We were not getting married. We were not my boyfriend and girlfriend. We were one ugly mouth. Anyway, I didn't say love me. Anyway, listen to me saying that I love me, saying the morning I love you, son. What? No, I mean, the set pee son. What? The set pee son. You know, minute in my life. Minute in my life. Oh, right, that's not it. I knew that. The one that I was missing in the morning I love you, son. Peter, I had that missing that for me. No. Hell no. Absolutely not for you. Uh, I don't really know what away. Alright. You're not sad? No. Why? You said me, you left your mouth for me. You might never have like 4 minutes. Fine. Piece of shit. Oh yeah, I definitely don't love you. Well, and a one, and a two, and a one, two, three, four. Every single day I gotta clean up the kitchen. But the framing up the things from all of the business is you're the criminal. You know what I love me? That's the reason why it wasn't that the free my limit. But the realizing a new job. Work for the plumber in the work and I got the black dye and the one in the number of play. The plumber got me down and put on my hand. Love me, none of my love. There was no rule that there wasn't enough. And the security guard at the pizza place, but the mother come alive when you stand away. Had a wet mouth nerve, you can be like the flame, but it always what you crap, but it never pain, but it hit the other job, but I don't know what to do. I'm losing life now. Told you have a clue. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. Better hit my life, but I don't know what the number way. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. Better hit my life, but I don't know what the number way. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. I want everything was right. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. Better hit my life. Like everything was right. I never know. Now, me, the sad people, man, they hit my life now. Pick up walking, play, light, harmony, into life, and work. Every sort, lightning, think the minute, what about today? No. See y'all later. No, rolling out now. Oh, that was no beautiful. That's me. I love you. You love. Rolling out now.